Java versus C# the basics.
Java and C# are both popular object-oriented programming languages. They look similar, but their syntax has important differences. Java is widely used for Android and enterprise apps, while C# is common for Windows and game development. Understanding how their syntax differs can help you pick the right language and avoid common mistakes as a beginner.
Declaring variables and data types.
Both languages use familiar data types like int, double, and string. However, C# uses an uppercase string, while Java uses lowercase string for primitives and string for objects. In C#, you must end declarations with a semicolon, just like Java. C# also allows implicit type declaration with var, which Java does not.
Defining classes and methods.
Java and C# both define classes with the class keyword, but C# often uses properties for data fields, while Java uses getter and setter methods. Method definitions look similar, but C# supports default parameter values and method overloading more flexibly. Java forces all code into classes, whereas C# allows some code outside classes using namespaces.
Main method and program entry.
In Java, the entry point is always public static void main string args inside a class. In C#, the entry point is static void main string args, and it can be in any class. Main can return void or int in C#, but Java only allows void. The way you run your program's first code is almost identical, with small differences in case and keywords.
Other key syntax differences.
C# uses using statements for namespaces. Java uses import. For console output, Java writes system.out.println, while C# writes console.writeLine. Exception handling is similar, but C# has special keywords like finally and using for resource management. Though their logic is alike, the words and symbols you use can vary between the two.